In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your diagram, select your text, find the rotation control, and smoothly rotate it to the angle you want without distorting your layout. First, open your browser and head to lucidchart.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your Documents page. Look for the Recent section and click on a document you've been working on. Opening a recent file is the quickest way to jump right back into your diagram without having to browse through folders. With your document open, click on the text you want to rotate. This could be a standalone text box or text inside a shape. Make sure you're selecting the object itself, not just editing the words. If you see a blinking cursor and you're typing, press Escape or click once outside and then click the text again to switch to selection mode. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection outline and handles around the text box. Now move your mouse toward one of the corners of that selection until your cursor changes to a curved rotation icon. In Lucidchart, the rotation handle typically appears near the corners and sometimes just above the object. If your cursor shows a double-sided arrow, that's for resizing. Shift slightly until you see the curved arrow, which indicates rotation. Take a moment to find that sweet spot so you don't accidentally resize the text box. Once you see the rotation cursor, click and drag your mouse to rotate the text. Dragging clockwise will rotate it to the right. Dragging counterclockwise will rotate it to the left. As you rotate, keep an eye on any on-screen angle indicator or guides that help you line things up. If you need a precise angle, move your mouse slowly for finer control. When the text looks exactly how you want it, release the mouse button to set the rotation. If the rotation feels jumpy, try zooming in a bit so your mouse movements translate into smaller angle changes. And if the text rotates but doesn't align with other items, use the smart guides that appear as faint alignment lines to help you keep things tidy. Remember, rotating a text box affects the entire object, so always confirm you've selected the correct text element before dragging. That's it. Open Lucidchart, choose your recent document, select your text, hover to find the curved rotation handle, and drag to rotate. With a little practice, you'll angle text confidently and keep your diagrams clear and professional.